Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? You cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of them with one device, or this earbud we have dual connection, so you can pair two devices with your earbuds simultaneously. And of course you can listen to music with one earphone. You just put one of your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and as you can see we have still connection, but I use only one earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.